Today I got a pair of earbuds that are being promoted by several Instagram influencers. Obviously they are talking only good about it, but I wanted to try and see if it is actually worth buying. Hey guys, I'm Dipankar and today I am going to talk about Boat Airdopes 800. This is the retail box of Boat Airdopes 800. There is Dolby audio branding at the front and key features on the back. Now let me quickly show you the unboxing. This is Boat Airdopes 800. The case has a unique cuboid shape that resembles a miniature briefcase. It is made of sturdy plastic with a matte finish, so it looks good. There is also a Boat branding and Dolby audio text at the top, adding a touch of style. It has a USB-C port on the right for charging the case. When you open it, you see a small button that is used for pairing the earbuds with your device for the first time. Whenever you face connectivity problems, press this button and it will initiate a reset to re-establish the connection. The earbuds are constructed from glossy plastic that offers a sleek look but might feel less premium compared to matte finish. Buds fit snugly into your ear canals. It helps with passive noise cancellation. Buds are also lightweight and comfortable to wear for extended listening sessions. There is an LED indicator light on each earbud that provides visual cues for various functions such as charging, status and pairing mode. The flat touch panels on the outer surface of each earbud house the intuitive touch controls. A single tap plays and pauses music, a double tap skips tracks, and a triple tap activates your voice assistant. These controls are responsive for the most part, but keep in mind that glossy surface might lead to occasional accidental touches. Buds also feature in-ear detection. As soon as you take any of the buds out of your ear, it stops music playback and plays when you wear the bud again. There is also IPX5 water resistance, making them sweat and splash proof for workouts. The sound experience of Boat Airdopes 800 is all about impactful bass. It offers powerful and punchy bass that delivers a satisfying thump. This makes it ideal for genres like EDM, hip hop and bass heavy electronic music. The mids feel slightly recessed compared to the bass. Vocals remain clear but some detail might be lost. Highs are present but not overly crisp. So audiophiles seeking a perfectly balanced sound signature might find it lacking in some areas. It also comes with Dolby audio support that creates a spacious and immersive listening experience. You will surely feel it while watching movies. Although the sound stage is not mind-blowing, it does add a touch of width and depth compared to standard stereo. There is also an app that lets you customize equalizer with various presets like balanced, rock and jazz. These presets can help you adjust sound profile to better suit your preferences. If you prefer a more balanced sound, tweaking the EQ settings within the app can significantly improve the experience. For the price point, the Boat Airdopes 800 delivers a fun and engaging sound experience. There is also a beast mode for gamers. It is a low latency mode that reduces audio delay to 50 milliseconds. This mode works well for casual gaming. Buds are tuned for heavy bass, so explosions and heavy sound effects will have a satisfying punch. However, the slightly recessed mids might make it a little trickier to pinpoint specific in-game sounds like footsteps at a distance. The Boat Airdopes 800 packs a setup of 4 microphones. With AI noise cancellation, it filters out background noise to ensure voice is clear and intelligible during calls. In moderately noisy environments like busy street or a coffee shop, the AI noise cancellation does a decent job of isolating your voice. Callers on the other end will be able to hear you clearly. However, in very loud environments, some background noise might still creep in. Airdopes 800 connects quickly and reliably to your phone or laptop. The connection remains stable throughout use. You also get multi-point connection that lets you connect to 2 devices at the same time. You will enjoy close to 6 hours of playback on a single charge and up to 36 hours with a charging case. It also supports fast charging. With just 5 minutes charge in the case, you can get around 100 minutes of playback time. Boat Airdopes 800 is a feature-rich and affordable pair of true wireless earbuds. The powerful bass, long battery life, comfortable fit, and additional features like multi-point connection and a customizable EQ make them a solid choice in this price segment. However, if you want more neutral sound signature or prioritize absolute top-tier noise cancellation for calls, you might want to look elsewhere. Overall, I totally recommend Airdopes 800 in this price segment. That's it for this video. I tried to cover everything about Airdopes 800. If you still have anything to ask, you can leave it in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech videos. Thanks for watching.